Signs that you need a liver detox. Tips and tricks to get your liver back on track. Our liver is the ultimate multitasker, working around the clock to keep us healthy and thriving. But did you know that this powerhouse organ can also give us subtle hints when it needs a little extra love and attention? In this video, we'll explore the secret signs that your liver may be crying out for a detox and reveal the top tips and tricks to get your liver back on track. So come along. What is liver detoxification? Think of your liver as the ultimate cleaning crew for your body. It operates continuously to eliminate harmful substances and contaminants, ensuring that your body functions efficiently. But sometimes your liver can use a little help to stay on top of its game. That's where liver detox comes in. Liver detox is like a deep clean for your liver, helping to flush out any built-up toxins and keep things functioning at their best. It's kind of like giving your liver a spa day, complete with cucumber water and soothing music. Okay, maybe not the music part, but you get the idea. The liver detoxification process involves two main phases. In phase 1, enzymes in the liver break down toxins into smaller molecules. This process can sometimes produce even more toxic byproducts, which is why phase 2 is so important. In phase 2, these smaller molecules are converted into water-soluble compounds that can be easily eliminated from the body. Other fundamental roles of the liver include producing bile, regulating blood sugar by storing and releasing glucose as needed, synthesizing proteins. The liver is responsible for producing many of the proteins our body needs, including those that help with blood clotting and immune system function. Filtering blood. The liver filters and processes blood as it flows through the body, removing harmful substances and ensuring that our blood remains clean and healthy. Breaking down medications regulates our hormones and storage of essential vitamins and minerals, and even helps to keep us warm through a process known as thermogenesis. The liver is able to produce heat by breaking down stored fat and releasing it into the bloodstream as a fuel source. This is why it's so important to take care of our liver and give it the support it needs to function at its best. But sometimes, our liver can become overwhelmed by the toxins and chemicals that we encounter in our daily lives, which can lead to a range of symptoms that may indicate the need for a liver detox. One common sign that you may need a liver detox is difficulty digesting fatty foods. If you find that you are experiencing bloating, gas, or other digestive issues after eating high-fat meals, it may be a sign that your liver is struggling to break down the fats. Abdominal bloating is another symptom that can indicate the need for a liver detox. When our liver is not functioning properly, it can lead to an excess buildup of fluids in the abdomen, which can cause bloating and discomfort. Skin issues like dark liver spots or rashes can also be a sign that your liver needs some extra support. The liver is responsible for eliminating toxins from the body, and when it becomes overwhelmed, these toxins can build up and lead to skin issues like rashes, acne, or even dark spots. Dark circles under the eyes are another common symptom that can indicate liver issues. This is because the liver is responsible for filtering out toxins from the blood, and when it becomes overloaded, it can cause blood vessels under the eyes to dilate, leading to dark circles. Itchiness and dryness of the skin can also be a sign that your liver is in need of some extra support. The liver helps to produce bile, which is essential for healthy digestion and the absorption of nutrients. When the liver is not functioning properly, it can lead to a lack of bile production, which can cause dry, itchy skin. Weight gain is not always due to overeating or a frustrating inability to lose excess body weight, despite calorie restrictions. This can also be a sign that your liver needs a detox. The liver plays a key role in metabolism and fat storage, and when it is not functioning properly, it can lead to weight gain and difficulty losing weight. Powerful cravings for sugar, alcohol, or coffee can also indicate the need for a liver detox. When the liver is not functioning properly, it can lead to imbalances in blood sugar levels and hormone production, which can cause cravings for these types of foods. Yellowish or whitish coating of the tongue or bad breath may indicate that your liver is not effectively eliminating toxins from your body. This can lead to an overgrowth of bacteria in the mouth, resulting in bad breath or a white or yellow coating on the tongue. These are just a few indicators that suggest you may require detoxification. Before we continue to the foods that will support your liver, please take a minute and subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up button. Foods that support liver health. When it comes to supporting liver health, there are certain foods that can make a big difference. First on the list is artichokes, which contain compounds that help stimulate bile production and aid in digestion. Additionally, the high antioxidant content in artichokes can help protect the liver from oxidative stress. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are also excellent for liver health, as they are high in chlorophyll, a compound that helps neutralize toxins and promote liver detoxification. Beets are another great choice, as they contain betaine that helps protect liver cells from damage and supports liver function. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that has been shown to help reduce liver damage caused by toxins. Lastly, cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with sulfur compounds that aid in liver detoxification. These vegetables also contain high levels of antioxidants that can help protect liver cells from damage. Herbs that support liver health. Along with certain foods, there are also herbs that can help support liver health. Milk thistle is one of the most well-known liver-supportive herbs and has been used for centuries to help protect and detoxify the liver. The active compound in milk thistle, silymarin, helps to regenerate liver cells and protect them from damage. Second, dandelion. It helps stimulate bile production, aiding in digestion, and also supports liver detoxification. Dandelion has also been shown to support the pancreas and improve insulin sensitivity. Astragalus supports liver health by boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. This herb has also been shown to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Lastly, ginger. You have probably heard of the popular ginger detox, and for a good reason. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory herb that can minimize liver damage caused by toxins. Studies have also demonstrated that ginger improves digestion and reduces nausea, making it an excellent choice for individuals who seek to enhance their liver health. Additionally, making some simple lifestyle changes can go a long way. Here are some of the most effective changes you can make. Reduce alcohol consumption. Alcohol is processed by the liver, and excessive drinking can lead to liver damage and disease. Limiting your alcohol consumption or eliminating it altogether can significantly improve liver health. Quit smoking. Smoking also puts a strain on the liver and can increase the risk of liver disease. Get regular exercise. Regular exercise not only helps to maintain a healthy weight, but it also supports liver health by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation, which then causes liver damage. Managing stress through techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can significantly improve liver health. Another lifestyle change that can support liver health is getting enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for the body to repair and rejuvenate itself, including the liver. During sleep, the liver works to remove toxins and repair damaged cells. Chronic lack of sleep can disrupt this process and lead to liver damage and dysfunction. Conclusion. To wrap it up, incorporating liver-supporting foods, herbs, and lifestyle changes can go a long way in promoting liver health and preventing liver disease. So what steps will you take to support your liver health today? Have you tried any of the foods, herbs, or lifestyle changes we discussed? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.